very good morning to the respected chief guest, principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is M.RHUVAZHIHA Shrie. I am studying in UKG C section. Today I am here to speak a few words about nature. Nature is the beautiful world that surrounds us. It includes trees, flowers, blue skies, rivers, fishes, animals, butterflies, sun, moon, colorful rainbows and many more things. Hence, nature is the mother of all as it helps to sustain our life. Even we humans are part of the nature. Nature is the beautifully crafted by God and gifted to all of us living on the earth. Mother Nature always nurtures us. It provides fruits and vegetables to nourish our body. It provides water to hydrate our body. Oxygen and sunlight provided by nature are also essential for life on earth. It is seen that people who live close to nature live a healthier life. Hence, generally, villages are found to be healthier and happier as compared to those who live in cities. Unfortunately, we humans are polluting the nature by use of plastic cover, CO2 emissions, deforestation, etc. This is leading to negative impact on the nature. Mother Nature protects us from lot of harms. We must also take steps like planting trees, stopping pollution, keeping our surroundings clean. Therefore, everyone must do tree plantation, restricting the use of paper, stopping wastage of water and electricity. Along this, we have to stop ill practices like hunting of animals. Every organism is important for conservation of nature. Last but not least, I end my speech with few words. If we protect nature today, Mother Nature will continue protecting us in the future. Thank you.
Start.